Herbal supplements. This is a tough discussion. I'm a guy who takes a lot of supplements, but at the same time, it's really difficult to regulate that because they're all very different in terms of combinations, in terms of dosing, purity, and all types of things. So what I would say is, I think a safe rule of thumb, if you haven't either disclosed a supplement, whether it's an herbal supplement, a vitamin, a nutraceutical, in general, if you stop that 7 days before surgery, for the most part, that should be safe. And working with your primary care provider and even your orthopedic surgeon to weigh in on that. Some of them can increase the risk of bleeding. Some can affect other organ systems like your heart, your liver, your kidneys, things like that. So very important to understand what you're taking. Make sure to disclose that, because a lot of times we don't think of supplements as a medication, but they are, and they can affect these things. And it's important to understand that before surgery.